What's up, guys? How is it going, guys? So, in this video, we're going to talk about why it is so difficult to succeed in trading. And let me just hit the point straight up. One of the reasons why it's so difficult to succeed in trading is that many things are going to affect you, right? Even if you have a very good win rate, a very good strategy that offers good win rate and good risk reward, like the one you're seeing on the screen, this is a crazy. These are all the trades we called here. I'm going to show you guys in my free Telegram channel, or you can hit the link in the description and join it. I posted all these trades in my free Telegram channel. But in as much as I was able to call all these trades, these on gold, and they are also more on XPS 500 and US oil. In as much as I was able to call these trades, what if I told you that the only thing I took from this trade was two losses? Yeah, two losses and 10 hour. And the reason for this is that this one trade I wasn't able to take, it was so fast. This one was a loss that I took. This one was, I think I wasn't able to take it or something like that. And this is one that I took. And even this one that I took, I didn't take the whole 10 hour, right? Because of recently I'm trying to be realistic with my take profit. Usually 10 I usually take, but I didn't take it. And this one was a loss, and this one is one that I took that traded to 5 hour. So notice something. In as much as we called all this trade, right, we are not able to take all the setups. We are not able to, if you are to carry the risk reward we got from this trade, it is still not up to, it is going to be around for something R. And you might be saying that it's for something percent if you minus the losses and the wins. But the thing here is that the trades that we called here, right, the trades that we called here, not all of them we are able to, not all of them we are able to capitalize on. And the ones that we capitalize on, not all of them we are able to hit the full target. And this is based on the protocol, your break-even protocol, your stop loss, your take profit protocol. All these things are what is going to affect you. Now imagine there's one of these trades I'm going to show you guys now, and my break-even protocol is if price straight to 1.5 hour, I set break-even. That's the way I go. That's the way I go. And let's say price straight to 1.5 hour now, and then price trade, you set your break-even, and price then trade back to that your break-even and hit 10 hour. That's a trade you didn't capitalize on. But you're going to see that trade, and in your backtesting results, you're going to see that trade as a positive trade, a positive 10-hour trade. But in your actual trading, you're going to see that you're not able to capitalize on that trade. That wasn't a trade that you were able to take. And that's one. Okay, now what if, as I said earlier, my break-even protocol is 1.5 hour. So what if price trades to 1 hour only, and I didn't set break-even, I wasn't waiting for 1.5 hour, and price reversed and hit our stop loss. Now, if on paper you might look at it and see it is a positive 1 hour, but in actual trading, that's just that's actually a negative trade you took. So these are some of the things that are going to affect you, and these is the reason that when I backtest my strategy, or when you backtest your strategy, you get insane risk reward, insane results from it. It's not just because of the mental. I'm not talking about the mental side of it. I know that there is a role that psychology plays in this whole thing. But let's just skip that part for now. Let's talk about this. This is actually the one that nobody actually talks about. And this is something I've noticed because after calling all this trade, I'll look back when I'm doing my weekly recap for my Telegram channel, my free Telegram channel. I'll be like, we called all this trade, but I didn't even see huge results from it. So that's something that you want to take note of. So whenever you are calculating your risk reward based on your backtesting results, you should always make room for this type of thing. And if I go to XPS 500 now, these are a couple of trades we took, and I'm looking for an example. Okay, now look at this short trade we took here. This trade was 3 point something out. And as I told you guys, I'm taking 5 out. So what happened? I set my break even at that 3 hour. I set my break even at 1 hour. I moved it to 1 hour. And so what did I bank? I bank only one hour that trade, right? So what if, and even if I set my break even at, okay, now let's say that this trade all the way to 4.9 hour, and my break even, that's my rules say that I will set it at 1 hour until it reach 5 hour. So that's how I go about trading this my strategy. That's my trading plan. So what if price traded all the way to 4.9 hour and didn't hit my take profit and reverse and give me only 1 hour? And this thing actually happened to me just last week and the last 2 weeks. So these are the things that are going to affect you. Now, another thing that I really want to talk about is, now look at this trade, and also why trading profit, which is something that I'm more on. I'm big on profit. Profit is going to frustrate you. Like this trade now, the spread on my profit is twice, is as big as, it's just as big as half of this my stop loss. And this is a very nice trade I saw, but I wasn't able to take it. So many things is going to affect you. One is your trading plan. And when I mean your trading plan, I don't mean that I'm not trying to say it's bad to have a trading plan. What I'm trying to say is that your protocol, this protocol you set, your take profit protocol, your break-even protocol, when you execute this protocol, it's going to affect the result you have. It's going to slightly affect the result you have when you are backtesting. So whenever you're backtesting and you see your strategy have a very nice win rate, always give room for scenarios like this, because this can actually be frustrating. And also the profit you are trading, right? The profit you are trading can be really frustrating. So now this profit, as I told you guys, this trade I wasn't able to take it. I actually called it in my free Telegram channel. You can go and check it, but I didn't take it. Why? The spread is huge. So there's a lot of things that's going to affect you. So when you're going through this frustration and you are thinking, why is it that this strategy is profitable on paper, but it's not profitable on the live market? Always remember that there are more to this, right? So initially, what I was thinking that the reason why this is like this is because of I was focusing mainly on this psychology part. I was saying that maybe it's because of my mindset when I'm backtesting things is happening fast, so I can wait. But I've grown to the extent that I'm not even, I'm not moving by. I can stick to my trading plan. I'm not moving by price. And I'm not, how do I put this in? Like I'm not, as price is moving, I'm not trying to tweak my this or go against my rule. Once I set my trade, I just disappear. And that's the good thing about swing trading, which is something I'll talk about in a different video. And also having a strategy that allows you to set limit order, because of the way my strategy works now. This trade was somewhere around this place when I set this limit order. Price was here when I set it, and I just set it, and now I just drop my phone. When this thing played out, I think the next day. So when I just wake up, I say it is already in this place. And if you look at this place now, had even I have taken this trade now, this trade at this point now, this trade traded to, you see 3.45 hour, right? So, or even at this place, you see it traded to 1.5 hours. So I would have already set break even before this trade will clear out well. So these are the things that are going to affect you. I'm going to keep making more videos like this for you guys to, I don't know, and it's going to help you. So if you guys find any value in it, I didn't actually script this now. I just came on and started making videos. So I believe my point is not well clarified, but if you can understand it, you can understand. So if you guys like videos like this, we were to smash the like button for your boy, and also subscribe to the channel. And if you want to take this setup, I'm actually posting this setup for my free Telegram channel. Right, so you want to go and check in and click the link in the description of this video. And also, as you guys don't know what I'm doing, I'm actually, I told you guys the best way to trade is to challenge yourself. That's the quickest way to get to become profitable, make money from trading. And the challenge we are taking now is to accumulate 100K or $1 million in profit capital. And we're actually doing this thing. And I've actually passed the first two profit. Remember, I told you guys we're starting with the smallest profit, right? So let it be realistic, let it be replicatable. Right, so now we have passed the first two platforms, and if you have been taking the trade in my free Telegram channel, you should be able to do just take the trade and blindly set a set of rules and take the trade and just blindly just take the trade and just leave it. Let it play out, right? So maybe next time I'll arrange my videos well so it can be more structured. I didn't actually make plans for this video. I just came and start talking. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys learned anything in this video. As always, I hope to see you guys in my next video.